Welcome back to the Auto Land, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of powerful machines, engines, and the technology that drives them forward. If you're passionate about diesel power, trucking, or industrial performance, you're in the right place. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss a beat. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic heavy-duty engines of all time, now back with modern upgrades and 2026 level technology, the CAT C15. Known for its legendary durability and monstrous torque, the C15 has long been a favorite for truckers, builders, and equipment operators. And now, the 2026 version is making waves with new features while staying true to its classic identity. Let's talk power. The 2026 CAT C15 still carries that unmistakable punch, with horsepower options ranging from 435 to 625 and torque ratings that can exceed 2050 lb-ft. It's built for serious hauling and long hauls, whether it's running freight across the country or powering a piece of industrial equipment. The C15 delivers non-stop performance without breaking a sweat. The engine remains a workhorse, capable of handling extreme loads and punishing terrains. But the 2026 model isn't just a clone of its older versions. Caterpillar has updated this beast to meet modern expectations, including tighter emission standards and better fuel efficiency. It now comes with improved after-treatment systems, an enhanced EGR setup, and optimized turbocharging for lower emissions without sacrificing power. That means less downtime and less money spent on fuel, something every trucker and fleet operator can appreciate. One of the biggest changes is in the electronics. The C15 2026 now integrates smarter engine management software that constantly monitors performance, fuel burn, and system temperatures. This allows for more precise tuning and real-time diagnostics. For fleet operators, this means better control over vehicle health and maintenance planning. For independent drivers, it means peace of mind on the road. Durability has always been a hallmark of the CAT C15, and Caterpillar didn't mess with success. The block, pistons, and crankshaft are still built to take a beating. But now, improved cooling systems and better oil circulation help reduce internal wear and extend the engine's life even further. You can expect thousands upon thousands of miles without a hiccup, as long as you keep up with maintenance. Speaking of maintenance, Caterpillar has made it easier. The C15 2026 has better access to key components, reduced service intervals for certain parts, and more intuitive diagnostics. With the new onboard telematics, operators can receive alerts before issues become major problems. That's a big step forward in minimizing downtime and keeping trucks and equipment moving when it matters most. Another cool feature is its compatibility. The CAT C15 2026 is designed to fit seamlessly into both older platforms and newer truck chassis, making it a great choice for rebuilds, retrofits, or brand new equipment. Whether you're restoring a classic Peterbilt or spec'ing out a brand new rig, this engine is a reliable and powerful option that doesn't force you into complicated modifications. Noise reduction has also improved. The engine runs smoother and quieter than its predecessors, which can make long drives more comfortable and reduce fatigue for drivers. Combined with a more refined idle control system, the C15 is now a lot more civilized, even though it's still a beast when you put your foot down. So what does this all mean for the future of diesel power? In a time when electric and alternative powertrains are gaining attention, Caterpillar is proving that diesel isn't going away anytime soon. The C15 2026 is a perfect example of how traditional power can evolve to meet modern standards. Cleaner, more efficient, yet just as powerful and reliable as ever. For owner-operators, this engine is a no-brainer. It brings together the classic dependability of the C15 with modern tech that makes it easier and smarter to run. For fleets, it's a solid investment, tough, long-lasting, and supported by a global network of CAT service centers. Whether you're pulling double trailers through the mountains or running a regional delivery route, the C15 2026 is ready to perform. And that wraps up our deep dive into the CAT C15 2026. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on heavy-duty engines, diesel tech, and industrial performance machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment below if you've driven with the CAT C15 or plan to upgrade to the 2026 version. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, right here on the channel, where power meets performance.